Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify Crypto apps with Coinbase Commerce, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Shopify admin dashboard. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Once you are signed in, click on the Apps section in the left sidebar. In the Apps section, select Visit the Shopify App Store. Using the search bar at the top, type in Coinbase Commerce. Click on the Coinbase Commerce app in the search results. On the app page, click the Add App button. You will be redirected back to your Shopify admin screen. Click Install App to proceed with the installation. Once installed, you will see the Coinbase Commerce app listed in your Shopify apps. Click on the Coinbase Commerce app to open it. You will be prompted to log in to your Coinbase Commerce account. If you do not have a Coinbase Commerce account, click on Sign Up. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. After signing up or logging in, link your Shopify store to Coinbase Commerce. You will need to generate an API key from your Coinbase Commerce account. Navigate to the settings in your Coinbase Commerce dashboard. Locate the API keys section and create a new API key. Copy this API key for later use. Return to the Coinbase Commerce app in your Shopify. Paste the API key into the designated field. Complete any additional setup as prompted by the Coinbase Commerce app. Once finished, save your settings to activate the integration. You should see a confirmation message indicating a successful connection. Now you are ready to start accepting cryptocurrency payments in your Shopify store. Test the integration by placing a test order to ensure everything functions correctly. If you encounter any issues, consult the Coinbase Commerce support resources for troubleshooting. With these steps, you can effectively log into Shopify Crypto apps using Coinbase Commerce. Your store is now equipped to handle crypto transactions seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.